Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the CPM model and exact rim specs, diameter, offset, bolt pattern, because fitment matters. Once you have the correct rim and tools, make sure to loosen lug nuts 1/2 turn while the car sits on the ground. This prevents wheel spin. Next, raise the vehicle with a jack and secure it on jack stands, safety first. While you remove the wheel, inspect the hub face and studs for corrosion, and clean with a wire brush so the new rim seats properly. Once the wheel is off, inspect rotor and caliper clearance to avoid rubbing when the new rim is installed. You should test fit the new CPM rim onto the hub, verify hub-centric alignment, and use a hub ring if there is any gap, because runout causes vibration. Then hand start the lug nuts in a star pattern to draw the rim evenly. This prevents misalignment. After the rim sits flush, lower the car slightly so the wheel contacts the ground, and you can torque the lugs to spec safely. You finish by torquing the lug nuts to the CPM or vehicle manufacturer specification using a torque wrench, always in the star pattern, because correct torque prevents stud failure and wobble. Once torqued, lower the vehicle fully, recheck tire pressure, and do a cautious test drive to confirm no vibration or rubbing. If something feels off, stop and recheck hub seating and lug torque. If vibration persists, make sure wheel balance and alignment were performed. A quick retorque after 50 to 100 miles prevents loosening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.